Hey guys, welcome back to 529 Motorsports. In today's video, we're going to be going over a product that was kindly sent to us by Michelin and is a truck bed mat, all weather. We'll go ahead and get this thing unboxed. It's super hot and sunny outside today, so I'm going to open this thing up, let it lay down all nicely before we put it in the bed of the truck. But let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's in the box. So I would imagine the only thing in here is a truck bed cover, but we'll go ahead and rip it open. It comes with a little bag. Alright, so look at that. It comes in a nice little bag in case you want to store it. Let's pop it open. Looks like it'll just slide out. I feel like it's going to be near impossible to ever put this back in the bag, but really cool that it was included. So there's that. We got a little Michelin envelope here. Let's see what they sent us. Truck bed mat user guide. It's a pretty simple install, guys, so that's how to install it in case you don't know how. All about Michelin. It says lay in direct sunlight for 24 to 48 hours. Hopefully we don't have to do that since it is pretty hot outside today. It's like 100 degrees, so let's go ahead and open this thing up and see if we can get it all laid out sooner than 24 hours. What do you think, Cooper? What do you think? All right, so I got it laying out here in the sun. Hopefully it lays down in about a couple hours. And I can't really tell. It looks like it's 6.5 feet. But as you can tell, this thing is really nice. It's laser cut out, made to fit the exact truck. They have many different options available. This is for the 14 to 18 Silverado and Sierra. Nice little Michelin logo there. So let me go ahead and pull out my old one. I do have a factory bed mat. So here's my current factory bed mat that came with the truck. Fortunately for me, I think the previous owner did put this in brand new, so the bed does look pretty dang good underneath. We'll go ahead and pull this out. I might even pull the swing case out just so it's out of the way when we go to pull this thing, put the new one in. But yeah, let me go ahead and pull this one off. All right, so we got the bed sweeped out. I would clean it, but I'm not that worried about it. We went ahead and temporarily took the swing case off. It just slides right out. So we'll let that thing heat up and then we'll lay it in there. And while I'm working on that, I went ahead and debadged, took the bow tie off, as well as Silverado. Looks so much cleaner. I got some color match high country badges. I'm debating on just taking it off or putting one of those on or putting a vet badge, LTX, I don't know yet. But yeah, we're still just waiting on our bed mat to warm up. I'm gonna move it back in the sun. The shade took over a little bit, so we'll keep moving it back as the sun moves. It's actually pretty much almost ready to go now. I'm gonna let this back half get a little bit more settled. The front half where it was bulged out already settled down pretty good. Also, while it's in the bed of the truck, it'll settle too because it'll be real hot. Alrighty guys, so this thing was laid out pretty nicely. I mean, it's hot to touch, so we're gonna go ahead and get this in the bed of the truck, and then we'll take some videos and show you how it fits. And that easy, you just throw it in here. This thing is installed. These things are laser measured, just like the floor liners inside your cab, like the WeatherTechs and stuff. So it fits every little ridge and turn perfectly. I really like that it has this raised edge on the side all the way around. That'll keep a lot more dirt and crap in this to where we can pull this out and clean it and it won't hang out on the side of the bed and whatnot. But yeah, it fits really well. It's not super slick to where you're gonna like have stuff slide. It does have these non-skid little bumps here, so something won't slide past that, but they're also multi-purpose. So if you want to fold this up, it folds on that edge. And put it away to store it. It's got a nice little Michelin logo here. Nice branding on that. So we'll get this thing out in the sun. There's still one little slight hump, but it's like 100 degrees out here in July, so it didn't take but an hour and a half or so to get where it was now. But I'm gonna get this thing out in the sun and take some B-roll for y'all. Covered in sweat, guys. It's hot out here, but I just want to say a huge thank you to Michelin and Tread Auto specifically. They're the one who reached out to me to see if I wanted to review this, so huge shout out to them for sending me that. This thing is a nice upgrade for any truck. I'm really impressed with it. I just love how it fits perfectly to the ridges in the bed. The sides are raised. It's just going to be a really nice addition to any truck, so I would definitely recommend it. They have pretty much every make and model. I'll put the link down in the description below for the 14 to 18 Silverado and Sierra, since that's what I installed it in today. But you'll see on the Amazon ad how you can pick pretty much any truck and they'll have you covered for that. So yeah, huge shout out to Michelin and Tread Auto for sending me this truck bed liner, and we'll see you guys on the next one.